Hi, my name is Andrea Steckline. I'm a first year graduate student at Widener University, and I really love my classes that I've had so far. So this is my second semester here, and we just finished our first class. So it's kind of late at night, but I wanted to do this video tonight while my daughter was still awake in case I wasn't able to complete it. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I do. I'm the Director of Community Engagement at CADES. I work for an adult day program for folks who have different abilities. Most of my folks experience physical differences as well as cognitive differences, intellectual disabilities. So I'm working on getting them out in the community. And I was the former director of operations, and I feel that this new position really aligns with my talents in talking to people in the community and trying to get our folks included in the community. I have not had a lot of experience with the DSM. In fact, in class tonight, I realized it's going to be really exciting. I had to put my glasses on to read the questions. It's going to be really exciting for me to learn everything. A lot of my folks do have diagnoses of mental health, different disorders. However, I'm not a part of a treatment team that does this. Many of them have psychiatrists and therapists, but I'm part of their ISP treatment team, but that's at the day program, and they already have their diagnosis at that time. So right now, I'm not part of a treatment team, and I'm looking at the questions. In what ways do you work with a practitioner to make these diagnoses? I do not work with a practitioner now, but I'm very excited that I'll have that opportunity during my internships and during my clinical rotations that I will learn all of this. So it's very exciting. This has always been an interest of mine. I have always desired to be a therapist, but I have been at my company for 24 years, and I have just loved the field and loved the place that I work. I love the people I support, but I'm excited to learn a lot of new things at Widener. And that's it. Thank you.